You are in the vendor form, customer form, item form, any form of D365, and you want to make a kind of query a bit more complex than just having 1, 2 fields, right? So what I recommend you is to go in options, then you go in advanced filter or sort. There is also Control F3 as a shortcut. And then you can set up the query you need for the vendor, right? So for example, I just want to say that is created by me. So I will select my user. I will say, I think like this. I will say created by Andrea. Contains Andrea. Then I will select this query, right? So I can do any kind of filter. I can also say the currency is euro, for example. So if I go again in advanced filter, so the currency is euro. I think I can use this also. Yeah, it's euro. And then I can also save it actually. So I can save it as my vendors euro. I can sort, I can define which type of sorting I want. So I want the created by is ascended. So it's not an index field, so it will slow the performance. But just so don't do this type of sorting. Sometimes it can really slow down the performance. Show records active now. You can do joins. So right now we are joins with the worker. So I could actually define the join with worker, or I could add the table join with other tables. But remember, it always slows the performance. You select the table, you select, and then you select the field. For me, the join like this is good. So I'm gonna select OK. Perfect. And then what I do, I save it as my view. And then I have my view. Okay. Even if I don't save it as a view, because maybe you don't have the rights, right? Because the IT want to have the control over the views, you can always use the query form and then select your query, my vendor's view, select OK, and then it will go to your query. So you can use this instead of the personalization, let's say. Thanks for watching.